How to add the conversation mode interpreter widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, tap on the left hand side panel. Now at the top, tap on the widget panel. Now I'm just going to delete this widget to make more room for my new widget. From the list here, we then go down and tap on interpreter. Then tap on conversation mode. Now this will take up one spot out of the 4 spots in the widget panel. After that, tap on the done button at the top to save the changes. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. After that, you can press on the side button to go to your lock screen. In here, you can tap on the interpreter widget to open it. Here said it needs some permissions, so tap on continued and then choose while using the app and then tap on allow and then tap on OK. Here select a language to use the interpreter and then here we got Korean and then you can tap on the microphone. Hello, how are you?
안녕하세요. 잘 지내세요?
This is great.
정말 좋습니다.
Hey, how's the shit?
Miss Hi.
And that's it. So that is how you can add the interpreter widget to the lock screen. Whenever you want to quickly access the interpreter widget from your lock screen, you can just tap on it to start the interpreter. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.